On July 26, 2024, I made a horrible mistake of my life that sent me to trauma. A mistake that will forever be in my memory. I always remember it like yesterday, just because of one unprofessional decision and one moment of overconfidence. Just like every other trading day in my VIP group where I drop signal, we were busy making money for the past 3 weeks. We've been straight in profit and no loss recorded as of the moment. We had trade that went more than 500, 200 pips as a swing trader. Not until July 26 when everything crashed. FBI, open up! On BTCUSD, already we have a trade on BTCUSD that was going perfectly well. Then I sent this. I wanted to impress my members, so I called a second trade. This is what actually happened to me that day and why I call it an unprofessional decision. Already a day or 2 days before that day, I called a trade on BTCUSD which was going very well. I called the trade around 64.4k, and this is how I called the trade. I saw an accumulation area right here and I waited for the manipulation which cleared liquidity around this area and also tested a daily support area. Then I waited for the next pull which happened around 64.4k and I called the trade and it was going very well. Then I wanted to overdo and impress my audience by calling a second trade around the 66.8k area. I actually saw that a pattern that I remember telling my followers that price will actually sell down to manipulate the sellers around 66.9k. And after that, I don't know what came over me. As a busy somebody that particular day, I was driving. I was on the steering driving, and as price was pulling, with overconfidence, I was adding position. Big lot size. I was multiplying my lot size, 3 lot size, 4 lot size in account balance of $19,400. That was my life savings. Overconfident made me attack. I was adding lot size upon lot size, increasing lot size. As I was adding the lot size, price was pulling. My phone was banging. My family and friends, people that were copying my trade were calling me. They were like, bro, what's going on? Like, I felt a lot on my shoulders. And you know one thing about losing trade, it is very difficult to close a losing trade. Price pulled until I was down 18k. I closed. Not that the trade was bad, not the setup, but the overconfidence. I cried that day. I don't remember the last time I cried like this. I cried that day. I locked myself in the room. I didn't allow anybody to see me cry, because you know the rule is never see a man cry. I cried. It touched me. After that day, the day that followed it were dark worse. I doubted myself, my ability, and my future as a trader. I felt like I had let everyone down, including myself. I lost my best followers and most active followers that day. But as I reflected on the experience, I realized that my analysis wasn't wrong. My confidence was what was wrong. I was the problem, the self. I traded like an amateur and ignoring risk management and letting my emotions cloud my judgment. After a week of self-reflection, backtesting, and reconnecting with loved ones, I did things that made me happy, chilled, and went out to my friends, clubbed, just to get rid of the memory. I devised a plan now to reclaim my loss, because that was my capital, that was my home and abroad. So from today, I will start sharing with you guys my journey and how I'm planning to get back on my feet with $500 accounts. I will focus on the sound risk management, careful analysis, and patience, just like I used to, and won't let my emotion to ruin things for me next time. And so I begin this new journey. I'm beginning a new journey now, wiser and more caution. I will share this journey with you guys, everybody here, and I hope you all will learn from my mistake. Remember, no matter how many wins you have, never forget risk management too. That one is very important. And when you face a significant loss like the one I faced, don't give up. Just take a break, relax, do things that make you happy, and come back stronger. Though it's rare, it's it's hot. Over the next weeks, I will start sharing my progress and my setbacks and insights. I will be transparent and about all my trades. I'll be very transparent about my trade, my thoughts, process and emotion. I hope that by sharing my journey with you guys, I can help others avoid mistakes that I made and achieve their success in their own trading venture. This is Mex, guys. Do me a favor by liking and sharing this video with fellow traders so they don't make the same mistake that I made. Till next time, this is Mex.